Today we are going to learn about algebra arithmetic sequence. Just like all our other lessons, you're going to need a strong foundation to understand how to do this, and you're going to start that by using vocabulary words. So make sure you write this in your notebook in a nice, orderly way. The first vocabulary word you're going to learn is called, of course, sequence. Now, sequence is an ordered list of numbers. Now, it's hard to understand that unless you have an example, so this would be an example. 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, and then I put ... to tell you there would be more numbers, but I just don't want to put the numbers. This is a sequence because it's a list of ordered numbers. Now we're going to work on term. That's your next definition. That's each number in the sequence. This is a term, that's a term, that's a term, that's a term, and that's a term. Each one of those is a term. So, our last definition is then arithmetic sequence. And that is the term found by adding the same number. So what does that mean? Well, how do we get from 8 to 11, and 11 to 14, and 14 to 17, and 17 to 20? We did this by taking a number and adding it to that first number. So for example, to change 8 to 11, I had to add a number. So 8 plus what equals 11? 8 plus what equals 11? I know if I take 3, 8 plus 3 is 11. So what I'm going to do is this is a plus 3 right there. Now, how do you get 11 to be 14? To change 11 into 14, I know I'm going to add 3. To change 14 to 17, I know I'm going to add 3. 17 to 20, I'm going to add 3. So I'm adding the same number over and over again. This is the arithmetic sequence.